Hi, I'm going to walk you through how you can make a reusable button in Flutter. So as you can see, this this is the same this is one button that we have reused for the sign up, login, and this demonstration of showing this was just a demonstration. So to get everyone on the same page, we're just going to go into the home screen, the main dot. Then we'll create inside the screens, we'll create a new file. We'll just create an alternative home dot. Then this will also be a stateless widget. Just make it a stateless widget. We say alternative home. Then here we just return the scaffold. Then the nav bar. Inside this bar, we have the title, text. Then we can say then we can just wrap this inside the center widget, which are what happened. Okay. Then what we can do is we'll go to this main dot, then we just return that alternative home. Okay, so wait for reusable buttons. Then inside this alternative home, we're just going to give it a background color, red, and then we give it a shade of 400. Then we'll just change the text color to white. Okay, we're done here. So after the up bar, we can just we're still inside the scaffold. Then we just make a body. So inside this body, we're just going to return a column. So inside this column, we're going to have children. So since we're just going to make a reusable button, so we just make a new file. So we'll call it second button dot hook. There's a typo. Okay, so we'll also make this to be a stateless widget. Okay, then what we can just do is in here we just return a sized box. Sized box. This sized box is what's going to have the styles for the button. So we're just going to give it a height 60. Then width, we want it to cover to take the entire width of the screen. So we just say double dot infinity. Then in here, the child. The child is what's going to be an elevated button. Okay. So this is actually expecting two things at the moment: the onPressed method and the child. So we're going to make these in a minute, so we can just say final. And final, we're going to start first with the child. So the child is we're just going to say a string. It's going to be a string of name. Then the function is going to be a void callback function. Void callback. Then we'll name it as on rest fun. Then I think we're also going to have color. We're going to set different colors. So we just say color. Then we give the color name. The color name we just say btn color. Then we just require all these. Okay. So on the on pressed, we just say on pressed with fun. Then the child will just be the name. The name of the child will be this is going to be a text. Inside the text, we just give it a name. Okay. So inside here, inside the elevated button, so let's just format this so that we have these on different lines. So we're just going to say style. Then we have to style this elevated button. So we say elevated button dot style from. Then give it a background color. In the background color, we're going to set it to the btn color. Wait, what is it got in that context from? The btn color. Then the shape, we just make it just remove the that shape it has. So say rounded rectangular border. Then give it a border radius of 10. Give it a circular border radius of 10. Then I think we'll just give it let's try to import it inside the alternative form. So we're just going to say second button. So it's expecting these three things. So the name, we're just going to give it login. You can create the variable for this if you want to. So here we're just going to give it an empty function. Then the btn color, just say colors dot pink. Okay. We just import it. Okay. Then let's try to refresh this. Okay, so it's up there. So then we can just center this using the main axis alignment. Let me just center it. Then I think we can give it a padding. Okay. Then I think that's it. So we can have different buttons with the same design. We can just change the same from the same architecture. We can have different buttons. So this is our first button. So we can, in here, we can just reuse this. We can just copy this. Then I think we can put some space between. So we can just say 8. Then we just paste it here. Then we can change this color to red. Then the text can be sign up. So I think we can change the color for the text. Where is the text? Okay. Oh no, this is another button. So where is the text? Here. So we can say the style. We can style this text inside the button. So when we change the style here, it will apply on both of these buttons. So we can say color. We can give it a color. And let's try to refresh this. Okay, so as you can see, we are able to change the style from here, and this is how you can reuse a button in Flutter, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.